Hello everyone, my name is Frank and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day for me. We're actually going to unbox the Apple Watch Ultra. Of all the things that Apple released this year, this was actually the one product that got me so excited. For me, it is something new, something really exciting. In addition to the new iterations of the existing watch lineup, this is a brand new design with a titanium casing, longer battery life, and a customizable action button. And as I'm testing out the new iPhone 14 Pro, the video you're watching right now, filming me, is filmed by the iPhone 14 Pro in the cinematic mode in 30 frames per second in 4K. How does it look? And also, this is backlit, so how does it hold up? Alright, let's get to it. This box itself, it's a little darker and more rugged feeling than the normal Apple Watch boxes. I haven't filmed an unboxing for quite a while because I feel like by the time you saw my video, you may have seen a lot of other unboxing videos online already. But I do feel like this is something different and it's not quite like all the other Apple Watches that's out there. This is a new box size and the design of the exterior is more like a matte feeling and muted color, gives you that rugged feeling as well. So I'm very excited to see what is inside. Also, one note, when you're thinking about picking up this new Apple Watch in the Alpine loop, they're actually different sizes. So make sure you check out the description of the sizes and compare to make sure that you order the one that will fit you correctly. All right, let's get to it. It's a similar origami design. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. So instead of the colorful watch configurations with the bands like the Series 8, the packaging alongside with this booklet actually features an alpine landscape. Feels like, oh, now you can go out and explore, that kind of thing. So this is very cool. And this new booklet, ooh, this is very cool. All right, let's take a look. Oh, so this shows you the watch and the different loop options. Nice. Show you how to put it on. It also gives you like a instruction with the new action button, Alpine configuration. This is so cool. All right, okay. Waypoints and a little introduction of a new Compass app. All right, let's get to the point. The new Apple Watch Ultra. Woohoo! Here it is. Here it is. All right. Gonna open it up. This is another detail where I have to say this is such an Apple thing to do. In addition to the watch itself, in the compartment where it is housing the charger, in addition to the familiar design by Apple in California, it has longitude and latitude. Everything about this design tells you this is a watch meant for adventure. Everything about this inspires the adventure in you. All right, okay. Let's go look at the watch itself. It is now just wrapped with paper. Ta-da! Oh, this is so pretty. All right, we'll have to set it up and give it a first whirl. But in addition to that, we actually got the Alpine loop. I was debating for quite a while between the orange color and the green, and I ultimately went with this green color. I think it is very fitting, right? An Alpine loop and an Alpine green color. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh, this is so light. Wow, this is so light. I've never had a titanium watch before, so it was really hard for me to gauge how heavy it is. So the thought process in my mind is that since it is a metal, right, I'm kind of using the regular stainless steel as a reference, and just taking it out, I barely feel anything. This is so comfortable. And it does stretch a little bit, which is cool. Um, all right, let's put it on the watch and give it a whirl. All right, here it is, the unboxing of the new Apple Watch Ultra with the green Alpine loop. I'll keep testing it and be working on the review video, so be sure to come back if you want to learn more. Here it is next to the Series 7 in stainless steel. Here's another shot showing the differences between the sizes. Thank you again for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.